Looking for the best impact wrenches? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 impact wrenches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ingersoll Rand Drive Air Impact Wrench. Maximum torque reaches 600 foot-pounds. Maximum speed of 8,000 rotations per minute. Adjustable speeds prevent overpowering force. Comfortable design matches shape of average hand and wrist. Strong option with maximum speeds and torque. Lugs and bolts may get stuck. Material may rust prematurely. At number 2. Porter Cable, 1/2 inch cordless. Strong motor nearly matches torque capacity of other brands. Flexible speed settings and pinpoint application. Lithium battery. Lightweight and compact for tight spaces. LED light for dark places. Lightweight choice matches the power and durability of many heavy-duty options. Batteries not included, and battery docks may not work with some battery brands. At number 1. DEWALT 20 volts Max Impact Wrench Kit. Long-lasting batteries is 30% higher than average. Adjustable speed settings. Electric brake feature for safety. LED light improves visibility in dark workspaces. Durable exterior. Safe and durable model exceeds both power and safety features of others. Diminished torque as battery drains below full capacity charge. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.